The 3 best morning habits for stronger erection. If you want to have a stronger erection every morning, every time when the need arises, you must adopt these 3 powerful habits for you to have a stronger erection. So, what are these 3 best habits that you need? What are these 3 habits that you as a man you need so that you will always have a stronger erection? Before I proceed, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending from where you're watching me. Thank you for stopping by, and thanks to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will never stop thanking all of you out there. So, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men. So, what are the 3 best morning habits to get a stronger erection? The 3 best morning habits for stronger erection are: number 1, drinking of water. Every man needs to drink water as early as possible, especially early in the morning. If you want to be having a constant erection, you need to be taking water first thing in the morning. That is early in the morning. You take 1 full cup of water. What is the essence of this water? It will help to revitalize your body system. It will help for blood circulation, and it will help you to eliminate some toxic fluid that might be harmful in your body system. Because once you drink water in the morning, you will experience a little bit of heat coming out. That heat is a toxic fluid. So you need to take water for you to have a proper blood flow and a good circulation. And once you take water, it will aid in hydration. And once your body is hydrated, you are going to be in a better state of health, and that will result for you to have a stronger erection once you have a good circulation and a good blood flow in your body system. Because water is very good. It will help in your blood flow, and it will help for good circulation in all parts of your body. Water is like waking your body or your body system up, both your immune system, the way your body functions. Water will wake every part of your body up, due to as you take it, it will distribute or it will go all parts of your body, and this results in good blood flow and blood circulation in all parts of your body. And for this reason, it will make you to have a stronger erection. Number 2 habits that you need to do every morning is always exercise every morning. Exercise. Once you wake up in the morning, you do exercise. Maybe you jump or you run from one point to another, or you do jogging. Exercise is exercise, but make sure that you do aerobic exercise, because aerobic exercise are jumping, running, and even swimming. But you can't swim in the morning. But I will recommend jumping and jogging to any man. Do it first thing in the morning, as early as, let's say, 5:30 to 6 a.m. Do exercise. It will help for good blood flow, and it will help to awaken your body system, and it will help you to get a stronger erection anytime the need arises. Now, the last and the third good habit every man need to develop in the morning is make sure that you urinate when the need arises. Most men do hold their urine, and that urine is a toxic fluid. Urine is a toxic fluid. That is why it wants to go out. So you need to go and take that urine off from you for you to be yourself, for you to ease yourself, because as you take water, it will like to remove the toxic ones in your body system so that there will be a space for proper blood flow. If you can go and urinate early in the morning, it will help your body system. Most men do hold urine. It is not proper and it is very dangerous. Once you experience urine, go and urinate to remove toxic fluid. So these are the 3 best morning habits every man needs to develop. Number 1, drink enough water, at least 1 full cup of water early in the morning to revitalize your body system and to rejuvenate and to build up your body system, and it will help you to remove some toxic fluid from your body system so that there will be a proper blood flow and good blood circulation, which might lead to stronger erection. Number 2 is to do exercise early in the morning. The exercise might be jumping, jogging, or running from one point to another. It will help you to build your body system. It will help you to be fit, and it will also make you to have a stronger erection when the need arises. Then the last is to always make sure that you urinate when the need arises. Urinate, don't hold your urine, because that urine is a toxic fluid which might be detrimental or causing you not to have a strong erection. But once you drink water, it will help you to remove the toxic ones, that is urine. And once you remove that urine, you will be in a better state of health, and it will help for good blood circulation and for good blood flow. And once all these things happen, you will have a good erection every morning or when the need arises. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you get value from this video, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. If you have questions or comments, put it in the comment section below. Comment on this video, let me know what you think. Thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Thanks, and remain blessed. Bye.